Hello guys, I hope you are fine. I am just in the front of Big C here in Thailand because I take money. Today I have a special purpose for this video. I'm gonna to wash my motorbike here in Thailand by myself and I'm gonna to show to you. And if I say by myself, it's because here I have many shop to wash. But today I will show to you how to make here if you want to wash your car or motorbike or anything else there because it's pretty free but by yourself. Then let's see together. Have a lot of car, right? Wow, he always have a lot of car. And today is so sunny, you know. I need to wear a jacket not because it's cold, but because the sun burns the skin. Anyway, you know, today I want to show to you special things that you may didn't see before. And if I went to Big C, it's because I need to have some money to buy something, to have coin. Because when you want to wash your motorbike or your car by yourself, you can make only with coin. You cannot take the banknotes. Then I'm gonna now to go to a place, the name is 7-Eleven, maybe you know, but it's an automatic 7-Eleven to get coin. Let's go back home first. Wow, look at this. This street is not beautiful, but only because of this beautiful sun given by God, everything looks much better. And it's good, you know, because I need coin, then I will buy something. I will buy something to drink because I feel so thirsty, you know. Wow, this sun. Okay, here we are. That's the 7-Eleven automatic. And I will present to you how does it work. You see, you have different drink and food here. And I'm gonna to take coconut drink. Then you just choose here on the screen. Like here, right here, coconut. And then I choose to pay by cash. And I introduce the money here. I pay with the King of Thailand. Thank you, King. And then look at the screen, what they write in Thai. And you just here. Yeah, look at this, my coconut drink. Oh, do you hear that? The sound of the coin? Yes. Ooh, what I am doing. It's good, right? You can get that. Oh, I paid 25 baht. It's about maybe 80 cents, something like this. Oh, it's pretty expensive for here. But now look, I have coin and I have drink. Wow, that is the most important because it's unique. Let's try. Then you see what they wrote here, 100% of coconut. But because here we are in Thailand, it's not sure it's true. Many things they wrote are not true. But smell coconut, right? And the taste is pretty good. You can see by yourself. No, the taste is excellent. But wait. What I am doing here? I told you we will wash motorbike. We need to go now. Well, today there is no motorbike in this parking. It means many people are outside. Maybe because it's sunny. And then here we are. The motorbike is right here. Are you ready to go? Because I am not. I still have coconut drink. But soon we can go. I propose to you I will make video on the trip to go there because it's outside of Bangkok. Now I am in Thonburi in Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm gonna to go direction of Nonthaburi. Yes, Nonthaburi. It's not so far, maybe 15 minutes, but the way is nice because I don't like the city center. Oh, have a lot of traffic. There have much less traffic and also less house, then it's more beautiful. Then let's go. Did you enjoy the way to come here? It was nice, right? It's better than the city because in the city have only skyscraper. Oh, I need maybe to speak louder because here have music. And that is the place. And I'm gonna to put my motorbike right here and wash. And I explain to you now how does it work. But look, here. Maybe need to wash a little bit the floor before because it's very dirty. Then to explain to you, here you have air pressure, you have detergent to wash your car, and here only clean water. You just put coin here and you can put 1, 2, 5 or 10 baht, and after up you press here and then you can start to use. I will show to you because now I'm gonna to start to wash with you. They have the sponsor here. No, it's not true. I don't have sponsor in my video. By the way, if you enjoy the content, feel free to support me. You can see in the description, have some link if you want to buy a coffee or if you want to support the channel. I would very appreciate to receive something for you because I make every content free and for you. Let's see how is the street just before to start to wash. You see, you have much less car here. Bon, but now, let's start to wash. Oh, I feel very hot now. Oh, you know, with the moisture and the water everywhere. Oh, feel very hot. Oh, but now start to have many people coming. Then I think we will leave that place to go back home, okay? I make a short video on the trip because it's the same way to go back. And we see how is the motorbike dry at home. Then, let's go. Okay, just wait for they go. Let's go, yay! Well, I already come back. I could not make a video on the place where I wash motorbike because there were a lot of customers come to wash and it was pretty noisy. But I finished and now I want to show to you the results because the motorbike look like new. Look at this. Look very clean. You can see the plastic is black, but beautiful black without dirty, and also the engine very clean. When I look at the motorbike just before, I say, wow, it looks like if it's a new one now. You can see everything is clean, then it's a success. Then you see, it's very clean, right? Wow, I am happy because it looks like a new motorbike. But you know, after I install all the plastic, we will not really see the difference except the visible plates. But I am happy first because I could make that with you, and also because now the motorbike look nice. Then now I'm gonna to take off the exhaust, but I need to wait because it's still hot, and I prepare some little things for the next video because I still have many things to make with you. Then don't miss the next video. I am already looking forward to see you again. And you know the drill. Until next time, stay safe. Take care of your family, of people around you, because that is important. See you soon. Bye.